guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to my fans on TV. It's the Nedbank Cup. Orlando Pirates 0, Kesrick Stars 0. It's live penalties right now. I'm joined by Uzikotia.
Yeah, bro.
Sure.
Hey, Stibo. Hey. And they see Bonala. Those boys, they are giving us a umsebenzi hard.
Yes, Rodman. Yes, Rodman.
Tough time, into simple.
Yes, Rodman.
Coach to somewhere I can't blame.
Kala put.
Ay, yes, he played this is like first half. Ay, we never know Mabaki Putito. Never Mabaki Putito.
Sure.
We lost against Tito. We were playing against Sundowns.
Sure, man.
Second half.
Yes.
We are something.
Yes.
Some keep.
Yes.
He gave me a drop.
Yes.
Siabuya today.
Sure, man.
Second half again.
Sure.
We are playing against Kesrick Stars.
Sure.
Those
man.
boys.
Yeah.
Oh. The coach defending Yaki.
Yeah.
I give him a salute.
Sure, man.
We are trying by all means. We are trying. We are fighting, but as we at this corner, those boys are working hard. They are just losing their our spaces.
Yes,
they know which is Talaganjan.
Yeah.
See Pagani.
Yes, man. Yeah.
So hey, my worry. Yes, man. You don't worry, sir. Siguma penalties manje. Angaza ama results athini. We can't play like with a small team to go through kuma penalties like this. Young worries. We sell back to lama penalties abadlala ePolokwane. Young twos. Ngishaya uval.
Uthukile uyabonaka.
Ah, uval uyashaya.
Okay, Tamara Minka man of the match da.
Mina so far.
Sure.
I mina kwa manje ne laba bafana bami. We were trying fighting, but there's this guy ngalegli azange safuna udlala like uKesrick.
Yes, Rodman.
Farmer Coxa red lapha the defender amna isupha yapha.
Sure.
Ayi that boy ngathi is wearing number 15.
Yeah.
If I'm not mistaken or 15.
He's a quality.
Ayi.
He's a quality.
Ayi no.
Uyamvuma Tamalami.
Ayi ngiyambonga.
Rodman ilalela ukuthi Nedbank ithini.
Fit. That's masa kuma Nedbank. Abanye abantu bazophatha ama heart attack.
Sure, man.
The big teams are out. Kaizer Chiefs is out.
Yes.
Mamelodi Sundowns is out.
Yes.
Those two teams, they are playing Gupi. Gu Kef.
Sure, man.
Those boys badlala Gupi le pants.
Yeah.
And even ourselves, siznikeza dignity. Isithunzi siyawo mahlala kanje basho.
Sure, Tamalami.
Maybe in next time coach it ngicela udlulisa nomlayezo noma khona bazomtolikela sicela enze something better
than
singanyatha ama team
ngiyakuthola Tamalami
come the 28 come the 28
sure Tamalami
siyafuna 3 point
ngiyakuthola Tamalami
Pagania will win yakho blue
Tama uzi Nedbank ithini Nedbank ithi next round iplayer ithembile ukuthi izokora thatha personal loan ye jersey number yakhe Michael angeke uyibhatale mina zoba imali yakho personal loan mawuthurile uzokona uthathe 3,000 itsita makako uzothola imessage to congratulations don't pay the loan.
Relay will score.
Thank you Tamalami.
Relay will score.
Ambovuli loan Tamalami.
Yeah, akamnandi.
Ambovuli loan.